Alright guys, I'm going to run this here for Jake. He's got the Stitch and Pitch Polish, 8:49 p.m. January 11th. We're going to go live. Type live on the post. We are live, 8:49 p.m. 8:49 p.m. We are going to grab our list, 10 spots. Great odds with this raffle here, good fill. Alright, double check up here, make sure everything's good. 10 spots, $20 each. Alright, we will drop them into random. 10 entries. Scott on top, Bob on the bottom. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 11. We're going 11 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 times. Dice shows an 11. Next click wins. Good luck. And 11. Congrats to Bill Carroll. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and get your Polish. We are done. 8:50 p.m. We will go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 8:50 p.m. 8:50 p.m. Here's our timestamp, and there is the verification code.